If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know must split them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and so friends to the face, I hear the voice and you don't know say a kogency. Pon the kogency reacts channel. And today we have story of Two Smokey, active gang. You don't know, religion, guns, and fame. Now, everybody who watch this channel, I'm literally sure that everybody who watch this channel know who Two Smokey is. And if you don't, you probably even shouldn't be watching me, bro. A joke. Go find out who Two Smokey is and then come back. You understand? But yo, we don't know about the whole active gang movement, bro. I feel like Brad Day just dropped the song of the year yesterday. I just react to a mad suspect unreleased today. And then I see the story of Two Smokey. I'm like, bro, it's an AG like day. It's like a whole AG 24 hours, fam. I swear. But yo, I'm going to jump into this because he stopped making music. You understand? Yeah, big thing as well. He stopped making music for, he said religion. But I saw that Richard the other day came back and he was in the studio. And I saw like he was in Fume studio, like I plugged in a gun or something. But I'm not sure. But I just want to see what's going with Two Smokey. And hopefully, he, you know what I'm saying, starts making music again. Obviously, we know, alhamdulillah and everything, but I just hope that he starts making music again. You don't know. Hit that like or dislike button and jump in the comments because I reply to all the comments. And from the last video, the story of suspect with this guy, he's going to have the pianos again, bro. So if you don't like the pianos, you're going to have to cut. Rocky.
Two Smokeyy aka Rocky is a well-known ex-rapper from Camden. He previously repped
It's sad that he has to say ex-rapper, you know, because even the song that they were previewing before he stopped rapping, I was waiting on that to drop. The words in Canada must be ups. Of course I lied. Even though I heard those bars in like another song, I wanted it on that beat. You understand? Because I listen to a lot of exclusive and leaked and stuff, bro. Bro, niggas leak those niggas shits like every day, bro. Every hour. You understand? But let's just jump in.
CT1 before switching to active Gxng. Not much is known about his youth, however it is known he grew up in a Muslim household in Northwest which has lots of Muslim communities. He started gangbanging quite late and it's believed he jumped on in college although had been in the streets beforehand.
Alright.
He initially went by Rocky and repped Camden until the beef kicked off with 51st and he directly repped CT1 when picking sides. CT1 is a gang made up of various estates around Camden Town and is not active at all in 2021 with most ex-members switching to AG, jumping off or getting birded.
Yeah, that's what it was, bro. That's what it was. Because I saw the other day some AG guy was talking about, don't call me CT1, Ray, whatever. Like, what the fuck is that shit? I understand. And then I was wondering, like, was some beef going on or something? But, okay. So I guess that's what happened. All the man them switch the active gang, jump off road or got birded. Alright, say no more, man. The works in Camden must be ups. Of course I lied. Bro, it's just the music in the background, bro. You couldn't at least find some like Two Smokey music to play or something that like Jano? Like, listen to this.
Two Smokeyy used to trap a lot whenever he was on the roads, meaning he didn't have time to ride as much, but he still contributed towards the war. He was one of CT1's top drillers before switching to Agar Grove. He allegedly scored 3 points on Cumbo and Queen's Crescent before he went to jail in 2017, although it's unknown who they were.
Right.
He got a 3-year sentence for unknown reasons, although it's believed it was for drug offenses. He started rapping under the name Rocky before he went to jail, but only within his friends and not releasing any of it officially. When he was released in late 2018, some of his songs were leaked with members like Alert and Jabs CT1.
Yes, bro, there's a song with Rocky and Jabs. Oh, go again. Bro, something about he came fresh home and he started banging, bro. Let me go to the song right now, bro. Cause I listen to that song all the time, bro. No, it's not even Two Smokey. It's literally Rocky X Jabs. I swear to you. And then there's a picture of them standing up in front of like a fence or something. Not Naya Kakak, not that one. Not from the start. Taped Off Roads. Jeez, no, not 2.0. Alright, but listen, man. Jabs and 2Smokey had one song not back in the day, but I used to listen to it. Fam, fucking hell, I can't find it. Fam, but I know about Naya Kakak though, but I can't find that other song. This was a picture that was in the other video, but bro, I'm chatting way too much. Just play the video.
He was still in the streets with these members, as you will find out.
My name Alert.
Two Smokeyy began to ride again for his side of Camden once released as Mitch AG Boss, S45AG, and Aqua killed by PW/51.
Imagine, dog, majority of you are your niggas inside doing time. You know what I'm saying? The beef wasn't even really frying like that per se. And then something happened at a party that you never even know about. Majority of your gang members weren't even there. And then niggas ride out on your niggas, fam. Even though I had beef before, but the beef wasn't frying like that. You understand? Like the whole point, the whole reason why the other niggas was riding out that night, cause the dirty you got killed at the party. Which is mad. It's why you can't join a gang life, bro. It's too much going on to keep up with.
ST. The beef was frying and members like Suspect, Psy and S-Wavy were riding every day.
You don't want to see S, and S. That's why the three S's, man, I guess we're riding every day. And then a fourth S for 2Smokey, I guess.
Unlike what the media portrays, it's a lot more simple than just postcode wars. 2Smokeyy had already been stabbed by Flips Beckwater/51ST just before he went to jail, which resulted him in hospital for 10 days and fueled his hatred of his ops.
You understand? And niggas won't even let you know that shit, bro. Niggas won't even let you know that they got stabbed and they had to be in hospital for 10 days and stuff, bro. You just think niggas out there just stabbing niggas and nothing happened to them, bro. Nah, man. The ops are on smoke as well.
Flips ended up killing active Gxng boss Mitch soon after and got life in prison. 2Smokeyy scored his first point since his release when he was riding in Combo territory. He would spot Reflex X Bus World, a 35-year-old ex-member of Ambush's set. He leaned out the ride and shot Reflex point blank with a shotgun.
Leaned out the ride? Hold on, let me find. Man said, leaned out the ride and shot him point blank with a shot. From me, that's how I know that these movies and any type of media that show violence really inspire niggas to do stuff, you know, that. Because that's all from boys in the hood, you know. Ricky! Leaning out the ride with the shotgun, you know. That's all from Ricky, bro. And they all talk about run like Ricky and, you understand? Man, that's mad.
Pellets would fly into Reflex's head and he would have to be airlifted to hospital where he would fortunately survive. Soon after, 2Smokeyy was riding in Queens.
So that's why 2Smokeyy always talk about creep up close trying to take man's life and, man.
He would fortunately survive. Soon after, 2Smokeyy was riding in Queens Crescent territory with Alert CT1 and another CT1 member when they spotted 3 QCs. 2Smokeyy would stab one of them while Alert and the other one would stab the other 2 together. This would be in 2019 and was his last drill on 51st before he started focusing much more on rapping in 2020.
But how do you know that specific, bro? How do you know that was his last drill, like his last drill? How do you know that, bro? I want to know how you know. Hitman and Sus. Yeah, man. Sus back. Bro, go check out that Broad Day honorably reaction that I just did, dog. Amazing.
Vest got bunchy, hits got bunchy, skis got splash, then flex try run. Left got splash, then E got splash. Get shot, S try end that one. Yeah, for 4 days, 2 in a day, top sick, and E's got gotten at one. Chase out beat to the chest with a bliss. Shout hit, man, got billion one. Our road got splashed and sold in cash. Them man brothers, but ain't on pass. Revenge got splashed and sold in bars. Twist 2, we slap, king and splash. Psycho way got king times 2. Now nigga, yes, come way too tap. P1 out, man, to learn his lesson. Then can't hide on a suck from man. I still blur my face and this guy left undone with his visual blurry. Alert and here's my man.
Duh, man said he blurs his face because he left done with his visual blurry. From even 2Smokey's like voice and the way him rap down, the aggression is different, bro. Like literally all the AG niggas have something different with them. Brody, he's a different guy, just different. Suspect, we already know about Suspect, dog. Suspect is the whole reason why probably even know about like Active Gang just on a whole. You understand? And 2Smokey, bro. Even if you go listen to SY and SWAV, even them have them own ways or them do them thing. If you listen Who's Bad and go listen man like Nebs or go listen man like Fox, ML. Yeah, dog, even though them are not AG, them are NRB, but you understand? Jano. Them man them just creative, dog. My money if I make more music and leave the roads alone.
I still blur my face and this guy left undone with his visual blurry. Alert and here's my man, and I put news down my man dirty. Cons got bun, new flips got bun. But you know I'm still bad and dirty. Means got splashed and sold it 43, 8 hard drugs done him dirty. Suspects right, that's none about trouble. How many options got left in a puddle? See this got left in pieces, man got done like I did some puzzles. Cobra steam got.
He said pieces or feces. I think he said pieces. I don't think he would say feces.
Left in a puddle. See this got left in pieces, man got done like I did some puzzles. Cobra steam got packed in a gang and laughed. He died in buckle.
Wait, what? He tried to scream, got packed by the gang, then laughed. Jesus.
Killers talk about us, that's none of our killers. We are man got 2K each, no NBA, but my niggas are billion. Best got 2G, a man try name their humans, guns are brilliant finish. I know where he got that name from, yeah, with guns and he ain't done Joes. The man with a suppressed sub and a nearly got down into the field. So I here and I back the baby's trip, I dip like Usain Store. I try to dip that, swing that, dick that, screaming out, this one the thing that chill. Play with ears up to the fucking shit.
In 2022,
Dog, man, cha. It's so upsetting that I won't get those flows and bars and energy again, man. But what I want to know is like, so when a known gang member starts making music and then stops, him obviously not stopping the gang life, cause you can't go be a regular person after this, especially after you start rapping. You understand? So you went back to trapping and banging. So you can't tell me that you stopped making music for Allah, bro. You understand? Just say you stopped making music to make the feds leave you alone or something, dog. Or, you know what I'm saying? Which is really more than likely what it is. But there's no way you can say you did stop making music for Allah and you're still out there chopping and banging, bro. Cause that's just as bad as making music, bro.
Smokey rose to prominence within UK drill along with active Gxng when he switched sides of 71st. He quickly gained hundreds of thousands of views quickly and dropped various solos, link-ups and freestyles. However, most of his videos would be taken down by the Met who have waged war with AG due to their explicit lyrics which are often uncensored.
Very explicit, bro, and the way how it went for his chest and come out his back and over way around went, got what? Like what? Mad.
I don't have a problem with uncensored as I believe it's harder, but there does need to be some limits. For example, Young Diz lol.
Yeah, Young Diz, man say they take 2 of my tunes down cause mom kept shedding tears like that. That's when you're bringing people's moms into it, leave them alone.
Anyway, as well as the police pressure on YouTube, the police would pressurize active Gxng on the roads as well, with many members either on the run or locked up, including our Broad Day, 2Smokeyy, Suspect and Psy. Once he hit the wing for the second time, I believe it dawned on him the life he was living was not getting him anywhere. He was allegedly stabbed again in the leg by 51st GMs as get back, but the works he put in on the streets in 018 and 019. After these events, he decided with support from Muslim prisoners to quit music and focus on his din full time. He remains in prison fighting his case, and it's believed he will go to trial soon, and I pray he bust case.
Wait, what's he going to trial for though? What did he get arrested for? What did he get arrested for? Wow. Anyways, I'm not sure, but I'm sure we're gonna find out soon. So okay, so I thought that he was probably locked up and then quit music and then, you know what I'm saying, was free and was just laying low. Okay, so that's not the case. He's inside. See, man, it's to help with the case, bro. They can't trick us, bro. It's to help with the case, man. To make him seem like, you know what I'm saying, he's actually trying to change and he can be, you know what I'm saying, re-entered into society. You know what I'm saying? It's all a scheme, bro. They can't trick me. They can't trick me. Don't get me wrong, you know. Allah is number one in our fam. And we need to practice our salah and do all those things. But it's to help with the case, man. I'm telling you. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And then even when he said that I ask you delete it, as I have stopped, bro, you're asking me to delete the music that's on my phone that you made already? Nah, bro, I'm sorry, I'm not doing that, bro. Like, I get it, like, you want to stop making music, but I'm not gonna delete the music I already have. No. No. Oh, that was it. Okay. So, well, you know, I wish him the best. You understand? I hope he busts his case. Even if, you know, he actually did quit music to actually stop making music, to practice on religion, to focus on religion, then, you know, fine. But I'm still kind of sad that I won't get, you know, some really nice music. You understand? I just have to listen to the ones that was there before. And the ones that was there before, you know, it even reached to like the level that it could have reached. You know, the production, his like level of rapping skills and ability, like it's just so much more that could have been done. But you know what I'm saying, we still have Broad Day and Suspects, so they'll carry the torch. You understand? And Broad Day with Honorably, whoo, we might not even need Two Smokey, bro. If Broad Day keep going like this, bro, we might not even miss Two Smokey. If you understand, so hopefully, man. But I still miss Two Smokey's music. But let me know. Let me know about this in the comments, what you think about it, how you feel, where you know what I'm saying, if you think you actually stop making music or if it's actually, you know what I'm saying, like for Allah and stuff. And hit that like button, hit that dislike button. Jump in the comments, can reply to all comments. Kogency and the Kogency Reacts channel. And I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace. Yeah, come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the tool and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pink pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round